Stop scrolling. Your phone was fast before the update. Now it is slow, laggy, and battery drains fast. This is not a hardware problem. This happens after almost every Android and iOS update. Today I will show you real fixes used by technicians. No fake tricks. No risky apps. First, understand one thing. After an update, your phone runs background optimization, apps re-index data, cache files rebuild. This alone can slow your phone for several days. Solution number 1. Restart your phone properly. Do not just lock the screen. Power off the phone. Wait for 30 seconds. Then turn it on again. This clears temporary system glitches after updates. Solution number 2. Clear app cache, not app data. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then choose a heavy app, then go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do this for social media, browser, and video apps. Do not tap Clear Data. For iPhone users, offload unused apps. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, then enable Offload unused apps. This keeps your data safe and frees system resources. Solution number 3. Disable unnecessary background refresh. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Battery, then go to Background Usage, then Restrict unused apps. On iOS, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Background App Refresh, then turn it off for apps you do not need. Solution number 4. Check storage space. Your phone must have at least 20% free storage. Low storage causes extreme lag after updates. Delete old videos. Delete duplicate photos. Clear WhatsApp media folders. Solution number 5. Reduce animations. On Android, go to Settings, then go to About Phone, then tap Build Number 7 times. Then go back to Settings, then go to Developer Options. Set Window Animation Scale to 0.5. Set Transition Animation Scale to 0.5. Set Animator Duration Scale to 0.5. On iPhone, go to Settings, then go to Accessibility, then go to Motion, then turn on Reduce Motion. Solution number 6. Update all apps from Play Store or App Store. Old apps conflict with new system updates. This causes freezing and slow touch response. Final tip. Avoid task killer apps and fake booster apps. They make performance worse. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real fixes coming soon.